Hey there guys, and welcome. It's Rick here with AirgunWeb and Gateway Airguns, and we have a really fun backyard friendly airgun today. We've actually shown this gun on the channel before, but it's time to take another look. This is the Gamo Arrow. Let's get started. I'm going to stop while I'm ahead, guys. I got 2 shots left. We're going to stop while we're ahead. Super fun. Gamo Arrow 177. You guys can Google it if you guys are interested about anything you see on the table here. That's the FX Crony, Pocket Crony, the Excite LTV. This is a super nice optic as you guys were watching the video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Just Google it. Go into Google, type it in. Gamo Arrow. You'll find where you can pick them up. Very cool gear. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is a lot of fun, super quiet, backyard friendly, plinking, just a great air gun for that purpose. We know 20 shots is about it. Don't try and take 30 because she goes like crazy, not in a good way. But yeah, 20 shots and you're good to go with this thing. That's gonna be it for now. I want to say a huge thank you to you guys for watching. A huge thank you to all of our sponsors. And until next time, my name is Rick here with Gateway Airguns and AirgunWeb. Thanks for watching.